Hey there, art enthusiasts! If you've always wanted to dip your brush into the world of painting but didn't know where to start, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through creating your first masterpiece with some easy steps. Let's get started. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need a canvas, a set of acrylic paints, some brushes, a palette, and a cup of water. Got everything? Great! Step 1. Set up your workspace. Make sure you have a clean, flat surface and good lighting. Put on some music you love to set the mood. Art should be a joyful experience. Step 2. Choose your colors. For beginners, I recommend starting with a simple palette. Pick a few primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, plus white and black. These will allow you to mix a wide range of colors. Step 3. Sketch your basic design. Lightly draw your shapes on the canvas with a pencil. Don't worry about perfection here. This is just a guide. Step 4. Start painting. Begin with the background. Use broad strokes and let yourself be free. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. Just let your creativity flow. Step 5. Add details. Once your background is dry, start adding the main elements. Use smaller brushes for finer details. Take your time and enjoy the process. Step 6. Blend and layer. Experiment with blending colors and adding layers. This will give your painting depth and dimension. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always paint over it once it dries. Step 7. Final touches. Look at your painting from different angles. Add any final touches that you think will complete your masterpiece. Sometimes the smallest details can make the biggest difference. And there you have it, your very first painting. Remember, art is about expression and having fun. Don't be too hard on yourself. Every stroke you make is a step towards discovering your unique style. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more art tips and inspiration. Keep painting, and most importantly, keep smiling.